this life of you don't have a life because you're not married, and the only thing you think about in this life is let me get a man who will marry me, because you are looking for shelter, you are looking for food, you are looking for to be dressed and all that, you are going to go with the wrong person, because what you are looking for money. And the truth is, you might not have the happiness. If we want to check the real you, are you real happy?
Yes,
if you're honest to yourself, you might not be happy, because you are living a certain lie. A certain life.
You're living a broad life.
A broad life. You show it in the appearance, it's you, but deep in you, being honest with yourself, that's not you. That's not what you'd want. And these are the people who always live in a life of regretting. They're regretting their lives. I wish I did this. I wish I did this. But who made that? You had a competitive spirit in you. You didn't accept yourself, and you didn't accept to grow. Ladies, grow. Accept where you are and enjoy where you are, on your way where you are going. Work hard. Today you might not have, but tomorrow you will definitely have, if you allow God to be God in your life and serve God genuinely.